Building muscle is a common goal, a pursuit shared by many who step into the gym or pick up a weight. It's about strength, aesthetics, and overall well-being. But the supplement aisle can often feel like a minefield, full of hype and confusion. Navigating the sheer volume of products can be overwhelming. Marketing promises quick gains and overnight transformations, often with flashy labels and exaggerated claims. But the reality is that most products lack solid scientific backing and rigorous testing. Many claims are based on anecdotal evidence or preliminary studies. That's why a science-first approach is absolutely essential, to separate fact from fiction. This ensures that you don't waste your hard-earned money on ineffective products, or, even worse, risk your health with potentially harmful ingredients. Scientific studies, especially meta-analyses that combine the results of multiple studies, are crucial to reveal which supplements actually work and which are just clever marketing. Remember, supplements are just that, supplemental. They are designed to add to an already solid foundation. They can't replace consistent hard training and a solid protein-rich diet that fuels your body and supports muscle growth. Think of training as the fundamental work, the engine that drives your progress. Think of nutrition as the essential building blocks, providing the raw materials your body needs to repair and grow. And supplements as helpful tools, not magic solutions, that can potentially enhance your results when used correctly and strategically. Our goal today is to cut through the noise and misinformation that surrounds the supplement industry. We will focus specifically on muscle-building supplements that have been proven effective by rigorous scientific research. We'll break down exactly what works, explain why it works on a biological level, and show you how to use it effectively for real, sustainable results. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear understanding of which supplements are actually worth your time and investment. You'll also learn how to strategically fit them into your overall fitness and nutrition plan for maximum benefit. Make informed choices based on evidence, and let science guide your investment and, most importantly, your progress towards your fitness goals. So, let's get started on this journey to smarter supplementation. Let's dive into the world of supplements, focusing on those that actually deliver results. First up, creatine monohydrate, the undisputed champion and most researched sports supplement available. We're talking about decades of studies backing its effectiveness. It boosts muscle energy directly at the cellular level, helping you squeeze out those extra reps that make all the difference and build more strength over time. Think of it as giving your muscles that little extra edge they need. The science is crystal clear. Creatine works, and extensive research confirms it's safe for most people when taken as directed. It's a true game changer. Next, we have protein powders, with popular options like whey and casein leading the charge. They're incredibly convenient sources of high-quality protein, especially great if you find it a struggle to consistently hit your daily protein target from whole food sources alone. Protein is absolutely essential for muscle repair after those intense workouts and for supporting new muscle growth. But remember, powders aren't magic. Think of them as simply concentrated food sources, offering a convenient way to supplement your diet. And then there's caffeine, a widely used and proven performance booster. It works by effectively reducing fatigue, sharpening your focus, ultimately making those tough, grueling workouts feel significantly easier and more manageable. All three of these supplements are generally considered safe for consumption, but it's important to watch out for potential minor side effects. Some individuals may experience water retention with creatine, digestive issues, or bloating with certain types of protein powders, and those familiar jitters or disruptive sleep problems when consuming caffeine, especially later in the day. When starting out, stick with the basics, use them wisely and responsibly, and always adjust your dosage based on your own individual tolerance and how your body responds. Now, with those fundamentals covered, let's take a look at a few more advanced supplement options that have solid scientific evidence backing their effectiveness. Beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning your body can produce it on its own. However, supplementing with beta-alanine can provide significant benefits for your workout performance. It primarily helps you push through those grueling high-rep sets, especially when you're aiming for muscular endurance. Beta-alanine achieves this by buffering the buildup of muscle acid, specifically lactic acid, which is a key contributor to that burning sensation you feel during intense exercise. This buffering action helps in delaying the onset of fatigue, allowing you to maintain your performance for a longer duration. It's important to note that beta-alanine doesn't directly build muscle tissue. Instead, it allows you to train harder and with greater intensity, which in turn leads to more significant muscle gains over the long term. Think of it as a performance enhancer that supports your overall training efforts. For best results, take it daily for several weeks to allow it to saturate your muscles and produce noticeable effects. You might experience a tingling sensation, known as paresthesia, but rest assured, this is a completely harmless side effect. Now, let's talk about citrulline malate. This compound is known for its ability to boost nitric oxide production in the body. This increase in nitric oxide leads to improved blood flow and enhanced endurance during your workouts. Ultimately, this means it can help you squeeze out more reps during your sets. Furthermore, citrulline malate can also contribute to faster recovery times between sets, allowing you to maintain a higher level of performance throughout your workout. Both beta-alanine and citrulline malate are generally considered safe for most individuals. Most users only experience mild and temporary side effects, if any at all. So, if your goal is to increase your overall training volume and push your endurance to new heights, then incorporating these supplements into your routine is definitely worth considering and researching further. But what about all the myths and misconceptions you've likely encountered regarding these and other supplements? It's time to separate the scientifically backed facts from the misleading fiction. Creatine is not a steroid and doesn't harm healthy kidneys. This is backed by years of research. The anabolic window after workouts isn't just 30 minutes. What matters most is hitting your daily protein goal. The muscle pump feels great, but it's not what drives muscle growth. Consistent training and nutrition do. You don't need to cycle creatine. Taking it daily is safe and effective. Many supplement myths come from misunderstanding or marketing, not science. Focus on what's proven, not what's hyped. So how should beginners approach supplements? Here's a smart strategy. Start with the basics. Consistent training and a solid diet come first. Only add supplements once you've mastered those fundamentals. Introduce one supplement at a time, starting with creatine. Assess how you feel and perform before adding protein powder or caffeine if needed. Choose reputable brands with third-party testing for safety. Stick to single-ingredient products to control your dose and avoid hidden blends. Manage your expectations. Supplements offer small, gradual benefits, not overnight results. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Use supplements as tools, not crutches, for long-term progress. Let science guide your choices, and you'll get the most from your hard work.